Email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for acquiring, engaging, and retaining customers to help your business thrive. Email marketing occurs when a company sends a commercial message to a group of people by use of electronic mail. Most commonly through advertisements, requests for business or sales or donation solicitation, any communication is considered email marketing if it helps to build customer loyalty, trust in a product or company, or brand recognition. Email marketing is an efficient way to stay connected with your clients while also promoting your business. With email marketing, you can easily and quickly reach target markets without the need for large quantities of print space, television or radio time, or high production costs. Thanks to effective email marketing software, you can maintain an email list that has been segmented based on several factors, including the length of time addresses have been on the list, customers' likes and dislikes, spending habits, and other important criteria. Emails are then created and sent out to specifically targeted members of your email list, providing them with a personalized email detailing information that they are interested in or have requested. This helps promote trust and loyalty to a company while also increasing sales. Types of email marketing campaigns. Email newsletters. Email newsletters are some of the most common and popular forms of email marketing. You can use email newsletters to provide your subscribers with timely, expected, and helpful updates from your brand. You can include how-tos, announcements about your product or service, insider peeks into your business, or any other engaging content that adds value to your subscribers' inboxes. The benefits of email newsletters are increased retention and engagement, deepening of your relationships with subscribers, strengthening subscriber loyalty and their likelihood to recommend you. Acquisition emails. Leverage acquisition emails to drive trial and sign-ups among those who have opted into your emails but haven't converted. Send compelling offers or information to show them the value of becoming a paid or active customer. Acquisition emails are a good way to grow your business, drive revenue, move leads through the conversion funnel faster, and focus your efforts on users who have expressed interest in what you offer. Retention emails. Retention emails are a powerful way to keep hard-won users or customers active. Send a special message to subscribers who haven't opened an email from you lately. Perhaps include a special offer or request feedback. Strong retention emails help you increase retention and engagement. Proactively reach out to at-risk users and show customers you value their business. Promotional emails. Create promotional emails to drive sales or signups, or to announce a new offering or special sale to entice your audience. Promotional offers are also a great way to encourage existing customers to try something new. High-impact promotional emails are a great tool to reward engaged subscribers with special offers, drive new product or service adoption, and cross-sell existing products to your customer base. Effective email marketing steps. Email marketing campaigns can be a very powerful marketing tool. Marketers need to handle them with care. Therefore, here is an effective, detailed step-by-step process for carrying out an effective email campaign. Step 1. Emphasis on the creation of informative content. Sending an email containing content that the target audience does not require will not grab the attention of the readers. Step 2. Focus on compatibility. An email that cannot reach the audience in the form it was meant will never be of much use. Therefore, marketers should focus on basic points about email compatibility. Step 3. Segment the target audience. While it might sound easy to send a single email to all the people in a business email list, it is not advisable to do so. Emails are meant to be personal. Therefore, marketers should try to take advantage of this potential. Segmentation through email works just like any other form of segmentation. Step 4. Use tracking tools. Once an email marketing campaign has been employed, the next step is to track the results. Tracking helps determine the effectiveness of the whole email marketing campaign. It helps an email marketing campaign become more effective in the long run. How to make money with email marketing. Email marketing can be one of the most powerful ways to make money on the internet. However, you must do it correctly. Read on to discover how you can be the invited guest and get the most from email marketing. The opting list. When people choose the option to be included in your email list, that's called an opt-in. They are opting in to receive commercial messages from you. That means you've got their permission to send them offers. This is important because it protects you from being labeled a spammer. It strengthens the potential customer's likelihood of purchasing. Always begin any email marketing campaign with a form that allows people to give you their email address. This is the basis for list building. The message. Once you get someone to raise their hand and say, "Yes, tell me more, I'm interested in what you have to offer," you've opened them up to hearing your pitch. Make sure your offer is something they are interested in. If you find that your email offers are converting well, then you'll be making money. On the other hand, you might not be so happy with the results. If not, use the list and give customers a survey. Ask the customers what they would like. It's important to craft your message and offer to be attractive to your list. Repeated communication. To make the most money from your email list, you'll need to send repeated communications. An email is a busy form of communication. Your email may be sitting among 20 others and get overlooked the first time. To make repeated communications more successful, vary the message and subject. However, keep the same offer. An autoresponder can help out there. By setting up a series of timed emails to go to each person after they sign up, you can set the repeated communications on autopilot. Testing. If you sign up for an email marketing service, you may be able to test different campaigns and see which one performs better. While you may think one is better than the other, test results give you the truth. The most important thing to test is the headline and the subject of the email. It's surprising how simple shifts in the subject line can allow your email to be opened before any others. Test them to discover which one gives you the best response. That's an overview of how to make money through email marketing. Moreover, email is very difficult for your competitors to copy because it's not openly published like a web page. Use these as the foundation for list building, and you'll see more success using email.